Looking to bring cafe-quality coffee into your home with zero hassle? The Nespresso VertuoPlus coffee and espresso machine by Breville is designed to make every cup feel premium, without the complexity. This machine is all about simplicity and consistency. With just one touch, it brews multiple cup sizes, from a rich espresso shot to a full cup of coffee, making it perfect whether you want a quick morning boost or a relaxed coffee break. It supports different sizes like espresso, double espresso, grand lungo, and regular coffee, giving you flexibility every day. What really sets it apart is its centrifusion technology. Instead of traditional brewing, the capsule spins at high speed, up to 7,000 revolutions per minute, blending coffee and water perfectly to create a smooth, rich flavor topped with a thick, velvety crema. This gives you that cafe-style finish right at home. It's also incredibly smart. The machine reads each capsule's barcode and automatically adjusts brewing settings to get the best result for every blend, no guesswork needed. Just insert the pod, close the lever, and let it handle everything. Convenience is a big win here. It features a fast heat-up time, around 25 seconds, automatic capsule ejection, and an energy-saving auto shut-off. The large water tank means fewer refills, and the sleek ink-black design adds a modern, premium touch to any kitchen. In real-world use, people love how easy and consistent it is. You get high-quality coffee every time without needing barista skills. The main thing to keep in mind is that it uses Vertuo capsules only, so you'll need to stick with Nespresso pods. But in return, you get optimized brewing and a wide range of flavors. If you want effortless, great-tasting coffee with a premium feel and minimal effort, this machine is a fantastic choice for daily use. Click the link below for the best price.